My name is Pezoldt. I am owner of the Kuhnsville Car Wash, full service and self-service car wash located west of Allentown. Spent the majority of my life at the car wash, learning about the car wash. I was hired here when I was 15 by the original owners who built the place. I worked every shift I could work. I worked in the winter, I worked in the summer, I worked after school in high school, I worked over the weekends in college. Over time, my job has changed from brushing the cars out front, prepping them in the tunnel, cleaning the interiors, started to do maintenance, started to train the other employees, started managing, doing the scheduling, doing the hiring, started taking on every responsibility they would give me until eventually I learned enough to run it. When it was decided that I would purchase the business, I had made plenty of attempts at other banks and had some pushback. And it was the previous owner's suggestion that we make a trip to Tripoli. I ended up working with Dave Sherwin at the bank until getting in his office. I didn't know the approach that we took was possible. You know, the loan, the way it was structured, was not something that had been made available to me prior. Tripoli was willing to take that step and offer that as a solution. As far as what we do, you know, it's a service, something that is available to people when, you know, they don't have the time or they actually are unable to clean their own car. A large part of our customer base is senior citizens. It is something that may be difficult for them. They may actually not be able to. Plenty of our customers are parents. They are just strapped for time. We offer that again as a way to help these people do something that maybe is not easy for them. We take a lot of time, spend a lot of effort trying to be part of the community. In doing this, we do a lot of fundraising, we do a lot of donations. We have been working closely with the Sanctuary Hospital, the Riley's Children's Hospital in Lehigh Valley, the Tripoli Ambulance Corps, making efforts again for people who support them to support them while they're here. My experience, my goals, the things that I was trying to accomplish, I think there was more work involved than most banks were willing to put in. Really, working with David was a blessing. The amount of effort that David put forth in working with me and working with the previous owner, getting us both in the room, making sure that we found a solution that worked for everyone to get us to the point where I could purchase the business. Again, Tripoli was the place that made it possible.